Digital marketing beginner mistakes. Let's talk about them because most people fall into the same traps when they're just getting started. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It'll walk you through the same steps I'm learning right now. Hey, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4 living with a chronic illness. And I spent years trying to figure out how to earn online without draining my body or losing all my time to complicated platforms. I've built a freelance writing business, run Etsy shops, I've been an Amazon affiliate, and even though I enjoy being creative, every platform had a huge learning curve, and the income never matched the hours I put into it. So when I stepped into digital marketing, I noticed something. Most beginners make the exact same mistakes, and if you avoid these, you'll grow so much faster. Mistake number 1, trying to learn everything at once. Most people overload themselves with 10, 20 platforms, a bunch of strategies, and a bunch of new skills. You don't need all that. You just need one simple path that teaches you step by step. Quick question. Do you ever feel overwhelmed because you don't know where to even start? If so, let me know in the comments. Mistake number 2, believing you need to have everything figured out before you even begin. You don't. Digital marketing is something you learn by doing one small step at a time. Mistake number 3, thinking you need a big following to earn. You don't. Most people inside the community start with 0 followers and 0 experience. They follow the same system, show up for 2 hours a day, and their confidence grows with every small win. Before I share the next mistake, make sure you subscribe and grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It'll save you weeks of trial and error. Mistake number 4, quitting too soon. This one used to get me. Most beginners stop right before they would have seen their first real momentum. If you don't quit this time, everything changes. Mistake number 5, trying to do it alone. You need support, my friend. You need people who get it. The community I'm in now has more than 56,000 people learning side by side. Moms, dads, empty nesters, people rebuilding their lives, people navigating health challenges, people just like us. Our mentor Michelle shares daily coaching videos that keep you moving forward. And having that kind of support makes all the difference. Digital marketing doesn't have to be confusing. You don't have to guess at every step. You can learn everything in simple, clear steps using your phone, Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. That's it. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. You can absolutely do this, my friend. And I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. I'll see you in this next video.